Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. And I will go to that and I will share with you what I see happening. What's going on Bitcoin right now. Have we bottomed out on Bitcoin? What's happening with Bitcoin right now and how we're moving forward and all that sort of stuff. And let me just share with you exactly what I'm seeing through there. And as I'm bringing this up, guys, bit of a shameless plug for my membership. Go to mastertraderlab.com for your free trial to my membership and plus a whole bunch of bonuses. Let me bring up Bitcoin right now. Let me bring up Bitcoin right now. And let me bring this over here. And we're going to look at Bitcoin as I am doing this for you. Let me go through to this one through here. Okay, so now we're looking at, this is the 15-minute chart. Let's go to the daily chart and let's see what's actually been going on right now with Bitcoin. Okay, now firstly, what's been going on with Bitcoin right now? We actually went this here was this here is what I called before. This here was the calm, and then this here was the storm. Okay, so when this started to break out, I jumped on that thing, and that's basically what I got out of it as well too. So that's basically, and then I got out of it anyway. So we've had a big drop down through here, a little bit of an upside, and then the market continued down through here. So what's happening right now is that the market is still trending lower. Okay, we're still getting this lower low. And we're still getting on this weekly chart right now on Bitcoin. We're still getting lower lows. So this could be some sort of a sideways movement before we get ready for a breakdown, another breakdown. It could be getting ready for another breakdown. It might not be. But just remember, guys, if you're looking at any of any investment as more of a longer term investing position, you're not trading it. Trading it is when you're getting in and getting out in a few weeks, maybe a few months. If you're investing in it, meaning you have like a couple of year view, you especially need to wait for the market to get into it. And don't be listening to this absolute BS hype out there that we're going to get a vertical spike out of this thing, just like that overnight, and we better get in right now. It just doesn't happen. I see so many, not going to name people, but people have always been saying we're going to get a vertical spike out of silver, gold, and Bitcoin. We just don't get a vertical spike in the market. That's not how the markets work. Now, yes, we can get a vertical spike if we see certain setups, like Bitcoin and so on and so forth, and a big move up. But what's more than likely going to happen is we're going to start to change trend and start to move to the upside. But right now, lower high, lower high, lower high. We've broken down. We went sideways through here. This could be getting ready for another move down on that weekly chart. So please do not be fighting that weekly chart. And also, by looking at this daily chart, by looking at the daily chart right now, what are we seeing through here? Now, this is completely different. This is completely different what I've just said just a minute ago, because look at this here. We had a move down and sideways, and then we've had a move down. We've had a strong move up, and now we're getting this move through here. So when we're looking at this here, the short term is actually getting a bit of a, again, I definitely wouldn't want to be buying Bitcoin right now because I'm going against that higher time frame trend. But right now, when I'm looking at Bitcoin, what's happening with Bitcoin? We actually could be getting, if we get a bit of a breakout, we could be getting some sort of a short term, not a massive bottoming pattern, by the way. Wait for that weekly chart to tell you that. But this could be some sort of a short-term bounce in Bitcoin. Now, this is the short-term daily chart. What I just shared with you on the weekly chart, this is the daily chart here. The weekly chart is still saying that. So just because the weekly chart is going down, guys, doesn't mean we're not going to get some short-term rallies on that daily chart. Okay, I hope you can understand that. So what we're looking at right now on the daily chart is that if we get to some sort of a breakup, and especially out of here, then this could be some sort of head and shoulder pattern, shoulder, head, shoulder, and then a breakout, and then we could be getting ready for a little bit of a run to the upside. So that's what could be happening right now. Could be happening. But once again, if we hold here and then we get a breakdown, like that, well then guess what? We're probably likely to head back down and continue breaking to new lows. So we don't know where it's going to break out, but wherever it does break, we're likely to see a little bit of a short-term move in either direction. That's what I'm seeing on the daily chart, but that weekly chart, again, I definitely wouldn't want to be trying to fight that market. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really, really good trader. You've got the foundations, you've got the chart reading techniques, you've got the trading systems, and also you've got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really, really good trader. And now I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well. The foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.